we're going to this Korean supermarket to see if they have fidgets. Some coin machines. This one has fidget spinners and sand putty. Oh, it looks like there were squishy snacks in there, but there aren't anymore. Fidget spinners are so tiny. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is so cute. They have Hello Kitty toilet paper. A bakery here, and it looks like they're gonna get an Among Us Choco Planet. That's exciting. These are so cute. I have to get a couple. I just need to decide which ones to get. Get donuts, burgers, sushi, bento box with a panda. They have a ton, and I mean a ton of different K-pop merchandise. There's just so many different things here. I don't know if I can capture them all. Call it BTS Village. Oh my gosh, look at this keyboard. That's crazy. And you can get a matching mouse and a mouse pad.